Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream lassi. This delightful drink is surprisingly simple to prepare, requiring just a few common ingredients. You'll need plain yogurt, your preferred ice cream flavor, and a splash of milk. For sweetness, consider adding a spoonful of sugar or a drizzle of honey. Make sure everything is thoroughly chilled before you begin for the perfect creamy texture. Now, let's get blending. Start by adding 1 cup of plain yogurt to your blender. Next, scoop in about 2 generous portions of your chosen ice cream. If you like a thinner lassi, add approximately 1/4 cup of milk. Blend everything together on high speed until it's completely smooth and a lovely frothy layer forms on top. This usually takes about 30 to 45 seconds. The beauty of ice cream lassi is how easily you can customize it. Feel free to experiment with various ice cream flavors, from classic vanilla to rich mango. For an extra touch, garnish your lassi with a sprinkle of cardamom powder or some finely chopped pistachios. Serve this refreshing treat immediately in a tall glass to savor its creamy texture and delightful coolness. It's perfect for any time of day. Here are a few final tips for your perfect ice cream lassi. For an extra rich and creamy texture, I recommend using full-fat plain yogurt. Don't hesitate to adjust the amount of sweetener and milk to achieve your ideal consistency and taste. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious lassi, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.